I've got my gift with purchase, so stay tuned because I'm unboxing the Lancome Fall 2024 gift with purchase. Now, in the gift with purchase, like most gift with purchase, you have to have $39.50 in qualifying products, but I will walk you through those here in a bit, but you can choose between the Absolute Revitalizing and Brightening Collection or the Renergie Lifting and Firming. I always choose the Absolute. You guys know that. I'm always saying, go for the gold, go for the gold. But this time I wanted to try the Renergie Lifting and Firming because of a certain product that they've never had in the gift with purchases. It's new, and I can't wait to tell you about that, so stay tuned. But the Renergie Lifting and Firming, the first product is the HBN Peptide Cream Mini. This is the powerhouse skincare product. I told you guys in the skincare on steroids video, if you've not seen that, go back and watch it because it will explain so much about the HBN peptide cream. And the HBN peptide cream has 300 peptides. Most skincare has 24 or 25 peptides. HBN peptide cream, that's why it is literally skincare on steroids. So I had to scoop this up, and I'm going to try all my lifting and firming products, and I will give you guys a review on that here in a few weeks. But also, the Lancome Gift is their eye cream, and it goes with the HBN peptide cream as the lifting and firming collection, so I can't wait to check that out. But the product that they never have in the gifts with purchase, it is new, is the Clarifique Brightening Serum. And brightening serum, you guys, if you have any discoloration, dark spots, I want to try it for my dark circles. It's supposed to help all that. I can't wait to try this out of the Renergie Lifting and Firming collection. And I will do a review video when I'm done. But every collection comes with these three products. So we're starting with, this is Cils Booster Mascara Primer. Cils, C-I-L-S. And ladies, if you struggle with thin lashes or sparse lashes, this is the product for you. It is a mascara primer. You apply it before your mascara, and it will plump and thicken your lashes and make them look fuller. So this is the travel size of the Cils Booster Mascara Primer. Also, in the every gift, no matter which collection, comes the DefiniCils mascara. And this is the mascara for a look if you like the natural look. When I say DefiniCils is a natural look, as you can see, the bristles are far apart, so it's not going to give you that heavy of an application. But for the natural look, this is perfect. DefiniCils Mini is also in the gift with purchase, and a Le Crayon black eyeliner pencil that is sharpenable. It is also in the gift with purchase, goes on buttery smooth. I absolutely love it, but I choose the brown. We'll talk more about that later. But these three products are in either collection, whether you choose the Absolute Revitalizing and Brightening or the Renergie Lifting and Firming collection. But now I want to talk about the qualifying products. Like I said earlier, you have to spend at least $39.50 worth of products to be able to get your 7-piece free gift with purchase. So I chose, ladies, if you've seen the massage, the facial massage that I did on my sister in the video, this is what we used. It's the Lancome Genifique Hydrogel Sheet Mask. $15. Amazing, amazing product. They have a whole bottle, one whole bottle of Genifique serum in these masks. So spend $100 on the bottle of serum, $15 on the mask. Now, the serum's going to last you a lot longer, but if you want to try this because you've never worked with or used the Genifique or the hydrogel mask, this is the perfect way to check out the Genifique. And the Genifique is Lancome's best-selling serum. If you have not seen the massage video that I showed you the massage techniques, we did the facial massage and we put the mask on for 30 minutes on after, and it shows you how to apply the mask. It's tricky, but it can be done. And the second qualifying product that I picked because I needed to, like I said, this is $15 and we needed $39.50. The chocolate brown, you can see that I've got it on today. I always usually use brown or sable, dark brown color eyeshadow to rim my eyes instead of eyeliner because the eyeliners do not stay and the eyeshadows stay longer because as we age, We recommend that you do not use black or harsh charcoal eyeliners. So this was one of the qualifying gifts. And you guys, it spreads like butter. Absolutely. And it has a end where you can sharpen it with a pencil, just like a regular pencil. So that is the gift with purchase, fall 2024, now available at Dillard's. Spend $39.50 and you get 7 free products. But ladies, this is exactly what I teach in my mini course. If you don't know what I mean, you can learn more by heading to the website at kimsbeautybiz.com and check it out, because it will explain to you exactly what to do. And I use my proven hack system that I learned working at Lancome to be able to do the gifts with purchase, and trick it out to where I can get free makeup and skincare all year. You guys, thank you this week for watching the video this week. Next week, I've got another amazing video, so keep checking back. And if you have not, subscribe below, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.